good evening, and good morning to those viewers around the world. Here in Scranton, Pennsylvania, we've been on the watch for a winter nor'easter moving in from the north. Due to lake effect snow from Lake Ontario, we are expecting 18 to 20 inches overnight. My cameraman Jason Arden and myself will be joining you on a journey through the blizzard. We'll have multiple segments of this video. As you can see, this is the introduction beforehand. We decided to come out and make a fire. You never know how cold it can get. It's always important to keep fire supplies on hand. As you can see, we are in the middle of the woods. And it's very important to make sure you bring all the materials needed, such as this stone fireplace, this 99-degree hot tub, multiple tiki torches, a swimming pool, a garage, and a fairly mid-sized house. Because in the woods, you never know what can come at you, so you have to be prepared for everything. The fire's really heating up now. So Jason and I are quite toasty sitting in our Adirondack chairs that you also should bring with you in the woods. Alright, so I'm in my bathroom here with Jason, the cameraman here.
We are freezing right now.
So, yeah, we turn around, there's a bigger mirror.
Oh.
So,
hey.
we
It's cold.
So we both were in the hot tub, and the hot tub was significantly colder than what I thought it would be. So
that was gonna be good, but it was
we basically took an ice bath in the blizzard. So we're now in a hot shower.
It's not even.
It's pretty hot right now. Okay. All right. So
we go. We're not gay. We're just trying to survive. We're just trying to survive.
Yeah, oh, it's steaming, man. This here is the storm of the millennia. 2017 winter nor'easter. As you can see from my bathrobe, we have recently gotten out of the hot tub in my backyard, and it was actually a cold tub. I'm shaking right now. I can't stop shaking. As you can see from that pickup truck, the snow is very heavy and pickup trucky. He looks determined to do something. Next time we have a segment in this video, there will most likely be a lot more snow on the ground than there is now. There is only a light dusting now. That is only because the snow has just recently started. This is it. The morning of March 14th, 2017. We've survived out here with no sources of heat or warmth or shelter. As you can see by this car stalemating with the snow, this blizzard is one of the worst of the decade. Last time we've gotten anything close to this was 2007, but even this surpassed it. It seems to be he's gotten out of the car. Let's observe. Now he's shoveling his car out of the snow that is now encased in. Goes to show, guys, don't step foot outside today if you don't have to. This is it, our first daunting task of the day. Mama Guido has asked me and Jason, my cameraman, to shovel the sidewalks. This is my porch. Okay? This is the sidewalk. Welcome back to the next segment of How to Survive a Winter Storm. I've been protecting myself in this, oh Jesus Christ. Oh God. I've been protecting myself in this trash can for the past 4 hours after being stranded in the middle of nowhere. My cameraman, luckily, still breathing, and so am I, but I have a feeling I still won't be for long. Oh, hello. I almost didn't see you there. Welcome to the next segment of this video. The storm has been going at a steady rate all day. We have gotten an insane amount of frozen precipitation accumulation over the past 12 hours. That car over there that you can't see because it's buried, yeah, that there's an example of what it's like here in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Tomorrow, school was called off again, meaning we should have some more videos during the day tomorrow. But if not, you'll know why. With temperatures dropping as the sun descends in the sky, and no sources of heat still besides this blanket. My cameraman and I must rely on our own body heat. I don't want to. I don't want to do it. Oh, hello again. Welcome to the next segment of How to Survive a Winter Storm. As you can see from the window, it is night. So night is falling on the first day of the storm. As I've said in the previous segment, we won't have school tomorrow, so expect more videos. I'm really tired. It's a good thing that I packed this house with me when I ventured into the woods. Cameraman, what do you think?
I work camera, I don't speak.
I wish our roles were reversed. Good night, USA. I love you. During every winter storm, there's only one thing that we must do.
So people have been doing this challenge where they jump into the snow with just shorts and a t-shirt. But we want to take it a step further. Come with me. As you can see, there's lots of snow all over the place, and my feet are freezing. So let's get this over with. Oh God.
Jason. Jason!
Oh God. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Jason!
Get stuck.
Jason! Fucking God! Oh my Lord, Jason!
Help me.
Look here!
Help me.
Oh my God, you're killing.
I just took a hot shower. Give me that towel.
Jason! Jason, put a towel down, man. You're dripping all over the place.
Success.
So I guess I'm doing the same thing. Oh.
See, I'm going back outside. Just.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's go.
I'm gonna die, Jason. I'm gonna die. God. Wait, hold my glasses. No, wait, no, wait. Yeah. Jesus. Oh my fucking God, Jesus. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my God.